Hey guys, it's April. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of tomorrow's tutorial. This is the Valentine's 10, I believe, it might be 11, of the 14 days of Valentine's. And I am going to show you how it works because I'm going to release the file here today, but we are going to do the tutorial on how it goes together tomorrow. You are going to need your Cricut pen unless you make some changes to the file. I used washi tape to transfer my lettering for the inside of my card because I wanted a 5x7 card, and of course at that size it's 10 inches, so you can't do print and cut. You're going to need some adhesive squares or circles. Circles will work better. I'm just going to say squares are going to make it kind of wonky. And you're going to, of course, need to cut the file. You're going to have several small pieces. For my black, I used my mind's eye, the dotted Swiss type. And then you're going to have all your little pieces cut. The light blue pieces in there, I used a piece of scrap acetate, the foil acetate from Cricut, but any plastic or anything like that will work, just something to help you. And then this is the front cover. These hearts didn't print the way I wanted them to, so if you want to contour them out in the file, go for it. But I did cut hearts to cover, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. And then, of course, your base. And, of course, I used hearts on the inside because I didn't like the way that these drew. They weren't as smooth as I thought they would be, or the way that they looked in the file. So, and you're going to need a brad. You're going to need one of these that are long, guys. This file is set up for one. This one I think is just over or right at a 1/4 inch, the head of it. And on your foam dots, those are 7/16 rounds. You need the large 7/16 round ones. That's what I used. But anyway, here's the card put together in the inside. And you can see where I placed the hearts over those drawn ones that I didn't like, and then the I Love Us. And I used washi tape to transfer it because it's, like I said, you can't flatten it for print and cut unless you put a panel. And here's the front panel. And then when you pull the cord, the heart spins. How cute is that? And then, of course, you just wind it back up and it will spin again. You wind it back up and just kind of line it up. How cute. I hope you guys enjoy this. I will release the file here right now and post it to you guys with this video, and then you can get prepared and I'll show you how it goes together tomorrow on the live video. We're also going to cover QR codes and attaching them to messages or sound files, and we're going to go over the new features in Design Space, or where they moved the features to in Design Space. And we are going to also cover the crayon holders that everybody is doing for Valentine's Day and how to fix those with your own image. You guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you tomorrow on the live.